As we talk in the intro, in this platform, you earn money for playing games or solving puzzles, which is done in one app that is powered or fueled by JumpToken. They say here that it takes 5 minutes and you become a part of the $500 billion gig economy, which of course combines the crypto gaming industry. JumpTask is a gaming platform on the Binance Smart Chain network with their BEP20 native token called JumpToken. This is developed and brought to us by a dedicated team that you can learn about from the About page, which is right here. You have their LinkedIn profiles of all their team members, including the co-founders, CEO, and CTO. So the core team is completely doxed, which brings a solid credibility to the project. Before we get any deeper into the project, I do want to mention about their withdrawal that is currently live right now, which is a good opportunity for us to start in this project by getting our share of 250 JMPT prize pool. You only need to do 3 simple steps. First, you sign up with your wallet. You can use metamask for this. Then get 10 or more JMPT and hold for 10 days. You can buy it from PancakeSwap by simply clicking on the buy JMPT button here. And then you register your wallet ID to the form here by clicking on the register button. Simply paste your wallet address with which you have signed up and have bought the 10 JMPT tokens and then hit submit. And that's all you need to do. You can scroll down and see how many have already done that. So don't delay it, do it as fast as you can. Now, let's come back and learn about the whole platform. I'll keep it very simple so we all can understand how does it work. We have many organizations that require real human inputs for their work. For example, a research institute requires real humans to fill up surveys or questionnaires, or some gaming platforms that requires new gamers to test out their game and give a review. These organizations are willing to pay for those human inputs. But how are they supposed to find people? And how are you supposed to find those organizations? As you can see, there's a gap there that needs to be bridged. And that's where JumpTask comes in. This is the bridge that connects those organizations to the users. Users performs the task and those organizations pay them for their task. You don't have to go to a different place to find new tasks. You get new tasks on the JumpTask app, which I'm going to show in a bit. And those organizations don't have to go to different places to find people. All of this in a decentralized remote work platform. And the amazing thing is, while performing these tasks, you learn more. And these tasks or gigs or micro tasks require little to no time or specialized skills. So you can easily do it without